Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in AhleBait High School in the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of Intermediate First Year Maths A. We have started a discussion with the chapter Multiplication of Vectors. What did we learn? We started with the basics of what is a product, fine. Then we learned what is a dot product. Then we learned how do we find the angle between two vectors. Okay, shall we do a few more problems? Let's do. Here he is telling that the modulus of a bar plus b bar is equal to modulus of a bar minus b bar. Then he is asking us to find the angle between a bar and b bar. How do we do? Just let us square it on both sides, then you will get to know. Let us square on both sides. That will be a bar plus b bar whole square is equal to a bar minus b bar whole square. Okay, what is a plus b whole square? That is a square plus b square plus 2 a bar dot b bar, isn't it? Yes or no? Instead of 2ab we will write a bar dot b bar, and after that a square plus b square minus 2 a dot b. Clear? Let us bring all the terms to one side. Then it will be mod a bar square plus mod b bar square plus 2 a dot b minus a bar square minus b bar square plus 2 a dot b equal to 0. Is it clear? Then if you observe a square, b square will get cancelled. Then I will get 2 a dot b plus 2 a dot b, that will be 4 a dot b is equal to 0. Then what is a dot b? That is mod a mod b cos theta, if theta is the angle between both of them. Then if I send everything that side, then cos theta equal to 0, then theta will be pi by 2. Isn't it? Yes or no? Similarly, let us find out the next question. Mod a is 11, mod b is 23 and mod a minus b is 30. Then angle between a and b is we have to find, and we have to find mod a plus b also. Can we find? See here. That is, let us take this first. Mod a minus b is 30. Let us square on both sides. Then it will be mod a whole square plus mod b whole square minus 2 a dot b equal to 30 square is 900. Isn't it? Now tell me what is mod a? That is 121. What is 23 ka square? Just tell me. Minus 2 mod a mod b cos theta. Isn't it? Now let us add these both. How much is it? 2 plus 9 0, 2, 4, 5, 650. This 900 will come this side, and 2. What is mod a? Mod a is 11, mod b is 23 cos theta. Clear? Therefore, cos theta is equal to 650 minus 900, that is minus 250, isn't it? 700, 200 divided by 2 into 11 into 23. How much is it? 22 into 23. Just multiply 23 into 22. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 6, 506. Is it? If we want to divide with 2, we can do it. That will be how much is it? Or else let it be like that. Let us put it 2 into 11 into 23. 2 1s are 2, 125s are, that is minus 125 into 23 into 11, 23, 23, that is 243. I mean 253. Is it? Next, this is cos theta. From that I can write theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 125 by 253. From this I can write theta is equal to cos inverse minus 125 by 253, or else pi minus cos inverse of 125 by 253. Fine. Similarly, we can find out the value of mod of a plus b. That is mod of a plus b. Instead of doing it directly, let us first square it. That is mod a square plus mod b square plus 2 mod a mod b cos theta. Is it? Now see here. What is mod a square? As it is, that is 121. What is mod b square? That is 529. Is it right? Plus 2 into 11 into what is mod b? 23 into what is cos theta? Minus 125 by 253. Is it fine? We already know that 11 into 23 is nothing but 253. Yes. Next, 121 plus 529 is 650 minus 2 into 125 is 250. 650 minus 250 is 400. Therefore, I can write mod a plus b as 20. Isn't it? Is it not easy to solve? The only thing we have to remember is where to use squares and where to not use squares. Clear? Remember, we always used a formula of a plus b whole square in these kind of problems. Then you will get cos theta here, because AB is nothing but A dot B. Therefore, we can write it as mod A mod B cos theta, where theta is the angle between A bar and B bar. Fine. Do you understand? Shall we move on to the next question? Let's do. Look at this question here. He gave a line makes an angle theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4 with the diagonals of a cube. Then he is asking us to show that cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta 2 plus cos square theta 3 plus cos square theta 4 is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Now we have to check where is the diagonal. Okay. Let us say the line be L OP. Okay. Let us say it is some distance of A, or else let us say 1. This cube is of side 1. If we assume, let us say this point be 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay. Let us say, then what will be this point A? This will be 1 0 0. What will be this point B? 0 1 0. Okay. What will be this point C? 0 0 1. Then I have named A bar B, B and C. Here A bar, A dash to A is one diagonal, C dash to C is one diagonal, B to B dash is one more diagonal. Then what is the angle between this to this, this to this, this to this? There are 4 diagonals. Okay. Then with that we have to find the angle for all other things. Okay. One is A dash, B dash, C dash, and one more is OP. OP is nothing but the main diagonal. We have to find the angles all and we have to add a square and add it. Okay. See here. Let us first write OP, that is OP minus OA. Okay, that is nothing but 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. That is, if I write in this form, that will be I bar plus J bar plus K bar. Okay. When it comes to A dash, the next is B dash, the next is C dash. Okay. Now if you observe A dash, then what will be the formula for this? Here A dash is in which coordinates? Is in Z y coordinates. Then it will be 0 1 1. Okay. If I take A dash, then it will be 0 minus 1, that is minus I, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is again 1. Clear? Into I. Hope you know, you understood. The same thing which if it is AB, we will write it as OB minus OA. Here also OA dash minus OA, that is nothing but 0 minus 1 into I, 1 minus 0 into J, 1 minus 0 into K. Okay. Similarly B dash, B dash, this is 0 1 0. Here it is in Y, Z X coordinates. Therefore it will be 1 0 1. Okay. B dash both, we have to subtract this from this. That will be 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. Next, C dash, C is given, therefore C lies in XY coordinates, therefore it will be 1 1 0. Let us subtract it. C C dash minus bolato, here OC dash minus OC. 1 minus 0 is 1. Again 1 minus 0 is 1. When it comes to k coordinate, 0 to 0 minus 1 is minus 1 k. Clear? We all got OP bar, AA dash, CB bar, BB dash and CC dash ka vectors. Then we have to find the angles from this vector to remaining all vectors. Okay? Is it clear? Did you understand? So, let us put the vector which is the line vector which I want to find be xi plus yj plus zk as usual. Let a vector r bar or simply L is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. Let us say theta 1 is the angle between first to this. Okay. Now let us find it out. Cos theta 1 is equal to cos of, let us say, angle between OP and R. Okay. What is the formula? What is the formula of cos theta? A dot B by mod A mod B. Okay. Now this dot this, that is x into 1 is x plus y plus z divided by the modulus of this 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square into, here it is x square plus y square plus z square. Isn't it? Modulus of this into modulus of this, that will be x plus y plus z divided by root 3 into x square plus y square plus z square. Isn't it? This is cos theta 1. Similarly, we can write the values of cos theta 2 as the angle between AA dash and R. Here, if you observe, the first thing has negative sign, therefore it will be minus x plus y plus z divided by root 3 into x square plus y square plus z square. Is it? Similarly, cos theta 3, this will be x minus y plus z under root 3 x square plus y square plus z square. Similarly, cos theta 4 is x plus y minus z under root 3 under root x square plus y square plus z square. Clear? Did you understand? Now, if I add all these and square on both sides, cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta 2 plus cos square theta 3 plus cos square theta 4, what it will be? Just tell me. We have to square it, x square plus y square plus z square. Again a big formula. There, here, here and here. Okay. If I add everything and if I do everything, I will tell you what do we get. That will be x plus y plus z whole square plus x minus y, minus x plus y plus z whole square plus x minus y plus z whole square plus x plus y minus z whole square divided by, LCM is always same, root 3 ka square is 3 and square root ka square is x square plus y square plus z square. Clear? And if you observe, here x square plus y square plus z square, 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. Similarly, we will get from the remaining 3 things and they all get cancelled. That is sure. Therefore, I will get it as x square plus y square plus z square in all 4 terms. Therefore, I can write it as 4 into x square plus y square plus z square divided by 3 into x square plus y square plus z square. If you observe, these both will get cancelled. I will get the answer as 4 by 3. Isn't it? Is it not easy to solve? The only thing is, we have to start with the diagram. How does a cube look? Okay. Fine. After drawing the diagram, we can mention the coordinates, then we can write it in the form of vector and find the angle between the standard r is equal to vector to remaining 4 vectors. Clear? Did you understand? Fine. This is one of the most basic and important question which we can also solve by different method. Yes or no? Fine. Here we will use the basic vector method. Clear? Before going into next thing, you can refer to a question that he gives that the angles between the diagonals is cos inverse 1 by root 3. If you observe, you can get it that question. The only thing you have to remember is they will give a cube, then however all the sides will be same. Then he tells that the diagonal, the angles between two diagonals is 1 by 3. How do we get is, if you observe here this plus this is, if they are 1 1 1, let us say, or else let us take these two vectors. These are two diagonals, right? 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. Okay. Here minus 1 plus 1, 1. Therefore, it will be 1 1 will get cancelled. I will be left with 1. However, the denominator is root 3 into root 3, that will be 3. That is how you will find the angle between any two diagonals of a cube is always equal to cos theta is 1 by 3. Can you remember? Fine. These are all the basic topics of a scalar product. Shall we do the basic understanding of what is a vector product? Shall we see here? What is a vector product? How does it look? Do you have any basics of a vector product? Just tell me. According to our basic introduction, if you remember, a scalar product is a vector product. A scalar product is a product of two vectors which is a scalar. That is always defined as a dot product. Then what about this? This is defined as cross product. That is A bar cross B bar. Is it clear? That is, a cross product is the product of two vectors which gives the answer as a vector. Okay, that is, if I tell the definition, the vector product is defined as the product of magnitudes of two vectors and the sign of angle between them along the plane perpendicular to this two vectors. For example, let us say A bar and B bar are in one plane. Then the product, that is the vector product, this vector is along the plane which is perpendicular to this previous plane. Okay, whether you understand this definition or not, remember this formula, mod A mod B sin of A comma B into some unit vector. Cap is always a unit vector, remember, right? There is a basic definition of a vector product. Then how do we calculate in our basic mathematics, right? If it is in the dot product, we know that I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is always 1, isn't it? If it is I dot j or I dot k is always 0. Then what about this? Here you have to follow the order. I cross I equal to j cross j equal to k cross k is always 0. Okay. Then what about I cross j, that is k. What about j cross k, that is I. What about k cross I, that is j. You have to follow the order. What if I interchange this? If you observe A dot B and B dot A both are same, they are commutative. Then what about this? Here it is not at all commutative. J cross I is equal to minus k. K cross j is equal to minus I cross k is equal to minus j. Is it clear? That is, the cross product will give you a negative vector. You have to remember this. Okay. Next, if I give you two vectors, let us say A bar is equal to AI plus A1i plus A2j plus A3k, then B bar is equal to B1i plus B2j plus B3k. Then the cross product is given as modulus of I, j, k. Here it is A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Okay. Did you understand? This is how we will find the cross product. Okay. As we have angle between two vectors formula in the scalar product, what was it? Cos theta is equal to A dot B by mod A mod B. Similarly, here also I can write it as sin theta is equal to mod A cross B by mod A mod B. isn't it? Will not have this. Why? Because we are applying modulus on both sides. The modulus of n bar is 1. That is, it is a unit vector. What is the magnitude? Obviously 1. Isn't it? Did you get? Now tell me, when the sin theta will become 0? When the angle between two vectors is 0. That is, if theta is 0 over 180, we can tell the sin is 0. Therefore, I can write as A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 when A bar is parallel to B bar. What if they are perpendicular? Then the dot product is 0 when A bar is perpendicular to B bar. Is it clear? Did you understand? These are all the basics of what is a vector product, how do we calculate and everything. Clear? What all we learned in this session? We started with the few problems of scalar product, then we did the cos square cube formula problem, and then we did few basics of those problems, and then we did the introduction about vector product. Clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of vectors. Thank you.